Hello students, welcome to RD Chemistry. In this video, I'll explain how to find out log values in the competitive examination. So let's start with the properties of logarithm. We have log A into B is equal to log A plus log B. Log A to the power B is equal to B log A. Log A by B is equal to log A minus log B. Then we have to remember some log values. They are log 1 is equal to 0, log 10 is equal to 1, log 2 is equal to 0.3010, log 3 is equal to 0.4771, log 5 is equal to 0.6990, log 7 is equal to 0.8451, and the last one, log 11 is equal to 1.0414. Now we'll find out other log values. So we'll start with the log 4, which can be written as log 4 is equal to 2 to the power 2, which is equal to 2 into log 2, and is equal to 2 into log 2 is equal to 0.3010. So therefore, we have 0.602. Log 6 is equal to log 6 can be written as 3 into 2, which is equal to, split this, log 3 plus log 2, which is equal to, log 3 is equal to 0.4771 plus log 2 is equal to 0.3010. So we have log 6 is equal to 0.7781. Log 8 is equal to log 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 3 into log 2, and is equal to 3 into log 2 is equal to 0.3010. So therefore, log 8 is equal to 0.903. We'll move on to next number. Log 12 is equal to log 12 can be written as 3 into 4, which is equal to log 3 plus log 4. Log 3 is equal to 0.4771 plus log 4 can be written as log 2 to the power 2, which already have calculated, which is equal to 0.4771 plus log 4 previously we have calculated 0.602. So log 12 is equal to 1.0791. So log 15 is equal to log 15 can be written as 3 into 5, which is equivalent to, split this, log 3 plus log 5. Log 3 is equal to 0.4771 plus log 5 is equal to 0.6990. Therefore, finally, the answer is 1.1761. Log 16 is equal to log 8 into 2. Or we can also write log 16 is equal to log of 16 can also be written as 2 to the power 4, which is equivalent to 4 into log 2. And is equal to 4 into log 2 is equal to 0.3010. So therefore, log 16 is equal to 1.204. So we can recall the powers of 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, and goes on. 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2, then 4, then 8, then 16, then 32, and goes on. Right? We'll move on to next number, log 20. Log 20 is equal to log 10 into 2. Split this one, log 10 plus log 2. Log 10 is equal to 1 plus log 2 is equal to 0.3010, which is equivalent to 1.3010. Log 22 is equal to log 11 into 2, which is equal to, split this, log 11 plus log 2. Log 11, we have the value 1.0414 plus log 2 is equal to 0.3010. So we have finally 1.3424. Next one, log 25. Log 25 is equal to log 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2, which is equal to 2 log 5, and is equal to 2, and log 5 we have, which is equivalent to 0.6990. So therefore, log 25 is equal to 1.398. Now we'll see log 65. Log 65 is equal to log 65 can be written as 13 into 5. But I do not have log 13 number, memorized one. And in the competitive examination, we need approximation. Therefore, I'll go for log 64 approximately, which is equivalent to log 2 to the power 6, which is equal to 6 log 2 is equal to 6 into log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Therefore, log 64 is equal to 1.806. Actual log 65 is equal to 1.81. Okay, so you can see the difference. So you can go for approximation method. Right? Now we'll move on to next number, log 72. Log 72 can be written as log 72 can be written as 8 into 9, which is equivalent to log 8 plus log 9, and is equal to log 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 plus log 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2, and is equal to 3 log 2 plus 2 into log 3. So which is equal to 3 into log 2 is equal to 0.3010 plus 2 into log 3 is equal to 0.4771. So therefore, log 72 is equal to 1.806. 8573. Log 99 is equal to log 11 into 9, which is equal to log 11 plus log 9, which is equal to log 11 is equal to 1.0414 plus log 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2. Therefore, it is equal to 1.0414 plus 2 into log 3. And this is equal to 1.0414 plus 2 into log 3 is equal to 0.4771. And finally, log 99 is equal to 1.9956. So we'll go for next number, log 100. Log 100 can be written as log 10 to the power 2, which is equal to 2 into log 10 is equal to 2 into log 10 is equal to 1. Therefore, it is equal to 2. Similarly, log 1000. Log 1000 can be written as log 10 to the power 3, which is equal to 3 log 10 is equal to 3. Log 10 is equal to 1. Therefore, log 1000 is equal to 3. Suppose we have got decimal points. For example, log 0.2. This can be written as log 2 into 10 to the power minus 1, which is equal to log 2 plus log 10 to the power minus 1 is equal to log 2 is 0.3010, and this number can be written as minus 1 log 10 and is equal to 0.3010 minus 1 into log 10 is equal to 1. Therefore, so log 2 becomes, log 0.2 becomes minus 0.6990. Let me take one more example. Log 0.005. This can be written as log 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to log 5, then minus 3 log 10. Log 5 is equal to 0.6990 minus 3 into log 10 is equal to 1. So therefore, answer is minus 2.301. Suppose we have got log a by b term. Then how to write that? Log a minus log b. Let me take one example. Log 4 by 3 is equal to, I can also write log 1.333, but I do not have log 1.3 memorized one. So what I'll do, I'll go for log 4 by 3 equivalent to log 4 minus log 3 is equal to log 4 is equal to log 2 to the power 2 minus log 3 is equal to 2 into log 2 minus log 3 is equal to 2 into log 2 is equal to 0.3010 minus log 3 is equal to 0.4771, and the finally answer is 0.1249. Yeah, that's all for this video. In the next video, I'll explain how to calculate the antilog using log values. If you like this video, share and subscribe RD Chemistry. Thank you.